Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 simple ways that you can use fenugreek seeds. So if you guys are interested in this video, please stay tuned. So for the first option, we're going to do a leave-in spray, and all you're going to need is some fenugreek seeds as well as some water. And I got these organic fenugreek seeds from a local Indian store. You can also purchase them online, which I'll leave a link down in the description box, as well as the benefits of fenugreek seeds. And if you guys know where to purchase fenugreek seeds, then go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. So I'm just going to use about a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. You really don't need that much, and you'll see in the next clip why. So I'm just going to put a 1/4 cup into this mason jar, and then I'm going to fill up the rest of the mason jar with water. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight. Also, if you don't want to use water, you can substitute the water for aloe vera juice, and I also have a video on that as well. I'll leave that link down in the description box. So now it is the next day, and the fenugreek seeds have doubled in size. So that's why I say you don't need that much fenugreek seeds. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain the seeds from the water, and then I'm going to take the fenugreek water and place it into a spray bottle. So now when it comes to the leftover fenugreek water, if you want to store it, you can store it in the refrigerator for about up to 5 days. But I would suggest probably putting it in the freezer so that way it can last longer. Unless you plan on remaking it every 5 days, then you could definitely place it in the refrigerator. But if not, place it in the freezer. So currently my hair is in some braids right now because I am wearing a wig as a protective style for the next 4 months. So I'm just going to demonstrate to you guys how to use the fenugreek water. You could definitely also use it as a pre-poo if you don't want to use it as a leave-in. So I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. And then what you want to do also is go ahead and follow up with your favorite cream or favorite oil, and just to lock in the moisture. So now on to option 2, and option 2 is going to be a hair oil. So all you're going to need is some fenugreek seeds. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds again, and then you could use any oil that you would like. Right now I'm going to be using this organic virgin coconut oil. You can use olive oil, jojoba oil. You can use your favorite hair growth oil. You can use any oil that you would like. I do have a video of me using other oils with the fenugreek seeds. I'll leave that in the description box as well. I'm just using one oil just to make this video simple. And all you're just going to need is to warm up the oil, and then you're just going to pour it over the fenugreek seeds. So I would suggest letting the fenugreek seeds in the oil infuse for about a week, but if you don't want to wait that long, I would suggest using the double boiler method. So for video purposes, I only let the fenugreek oil sit overnight, so that's why the oil still looks pretty clear. So that's why I suggested before to let it sit for a week. And I'm just going to go ahead and just use the oil as a sealant. So I already sprayed my hair with the fenugreek spray. You could use any leave-in that you want. So for the third option, it's going to be a conditioning hair mask. So I'm going to take those seeds that I used to make the fenugreek leave-in spray, and I'm going to place that into a blender, and then I'm also going to put some of that fenugreek water into the blender as well, so that way it could blend a lot smoother. Also, if you want to make sure that your fenugreek conditioning mask has a smooth consistency and doesn't leave any like chunks or anything like that, you could definitely take the seeds and boil them on the stove for about 15 minutes on medium heat, and then place it into the blender, so that way you can make sure you always have a smooth consistency every time. And if you don't want to use the seeds, you could definitely substitute the seeds for fenugreek powder, and you can add any essential oils to the mixture if you want to as well. So just using a quarter cup of fenugreek seeds is going to make a big batch of this hair conditioning mask. So if you do plan on storing the rest of it, I would suggest putting it into the freezer. If you want, you could put it in the refrigerator. It'll last about a month, but if you put it in the freezer, it will last about 6 months. Sorry you guys, I didn't get a clip of me putting the fenugreek conditioning mask in my hair. I think I must have deleted it when I was trying to free up some storage space. But as you can see here, I'm kind of getting some pieces of fenugreek out of my hair. But it's fine. That's why I would suggest, if you do plan on using the seeds, to possibly boil it beforehand. Or if you have like a more powerful blender like a NutriBullet or a Ninja or something like that. I should have used my other blender. I used the blender that I make my smoothies with it. I don't know why, but whatever. It still did what I needed it to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which one of these options you already use, or if you don't use any of these options yet, please let me know which ones you plan on using, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.